Welcome to Savage Hashcar channel. Did you know that the Dacia Sandero has consistently been one of the best-selling cars in Europe? It's crazy to think that this budget-friendly option has captured the hearts of so many drivers. Today, we're diving into the 2025 Dacia Sandero to see if it's really worth your hard-earned cash. All right, folks, let's talk about the 2025 Dacia Sandero. This little beauty has made quite a name for itself in the budget car segment, and it's not hard to see why. It's designed for those who want to save money without compromising too much on features. So, is this the car for you? Let's find out. Presentation of problem challenge. Now, before we get into the nitty-gritty of the Sandero, let's talk about some common concerns that people have when considering budget cars. First up is reliability. We all want a car that won't leave us stranded on the side of the road, right? Then there's the question of features. Often budget cars skimp on the extras, leaving you feeling like you're driving a bare-bones machine. And of course, we can't forget about value for money. With so many options out there, how do you know if you're getting the best bang for your buck? These are all crucial factors that potential buyers weigh when shopping for a budget car, and the Sandero has to tackle these challenges head-on. Exploration, development. All right, let's dive into the key features of the 2025 Dacia Sandero. First off, the design. The Sandero has a fresh, modern look that sets it apart from its predecessors. The lines are sleek, and it has a compact build that's perfect for city driving. Next, let's talk about performance. Under the hood, you'll find a variety of engine options that cater to both power and efficiency. Whether you're commuting or taking a weekend trip, you'll find a suitable option. When it comes to technology, the Sandero doesn't hold back either. It comes with a user-friendly infotainment system that supports smartphone integration, so you can stay connected while on the go. And safety. Dacia has made strides in this area too, equipping the Sandero with essential safety features to keep you and your passengers protected. Overall, the 2025 Sandero offers a well-rounded package that balances design, performance, and technology. Climax. Key moment. Now, here's the part that might surprise you. One of the standout features of the 2025 Dacia Sandero is its incredible value for money. Despite its budget-friendly price tag, it offers features that you'd typically find in much more expensive cars. For instance, it includes advanced driver assistance systems that enhance your driving experience and safety. This means you get a car that feels modern and equipped without breaking the bank. It's a game changer for anyone looking for an affordable yet feature-rich vehicle. So, to wrap things up, the 2025 Dacia Sandero is definitely worth considering if you're in the market for a budget car. It nails the essentials with a stylish design, solid performance, and a suite of tech features, all while keeping the price low. Sure, it may not have all the bells and whistles of higher-end models, but it delivers where it counts. We've covered the pros, like value and features, and the cons, like limited luxury options. Now it's your turn. What do you think about the 2025 Dacia Sandero? Is it on your wish list, or do you have your sights set on something else? Let me know in the comments below. And if you want more car insights, don't forget to check out my other reviews. Thanks for watching, and see you next time. Thanks for watching. Make sure like, subscribe, and share.